Hola! Welcome back to T&Leetv. It's me and Naya today, and we're going to be doing a Jollibee Mukbang today. And if you guys don't know what Jollibee is, it's like a Filipino American like inspired restaurant where they have like Filipino food and like American food like together and stuff like that. So today on today's menu we have some joy chicken over here. Then we have some, did I say it wrong? Chicken joy, sorry. Some chicken joy. Today, then we have some Filipino spaghetti, so we have that today, and we also have some.
This is regular gravy.
Yeah, this is the gravy for the chicken, and this is the mom. The what rice?
Adobo rice.
Oh, this is the adobo rice right here, and then the what's the yellow thing again? Okay. Oh yeah, and this right here is the palaba. So we're gonna be eating all of that today.
Yes, but before we eat, we're gonna take a thumbnail and then we're gonna eat.
Yeah.
So yeah. So, do you want to bless the food or you want me to?
You can.
Okay. Lord, thank you for providing this food for us today. I hope it's a nourishment to our body and we enjoy this food. I hope we don't get sick from this food or no hurt, harm, or danger comes to this food while we eat it. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen.
Amen.
And we're both just drinking water, and then this is ice and a cup. And we're going to be answering questions in this video because we don't know what to talk about. So we're just going to be answering like questions that I looked up. So I'm going to
try to do the joy. Chicken joy first? Yeah, chicken joy.
So we're going to put the chicken in this.
Do you want a leg or you want a thigh?
You wanted this?
I mean, I didn't care. It's just like I already paid for this.
Smells good. It just smells like chicken. Oh, okay. So you can try first.
I didn't think about putting the chicken in gravy.
So the first question is, how old are you?
I am 19 years old.
And I am 15. It's good. The gravy is really good. Good. What it tastes like? It tastes like the same gravy that be on mashed potatoes, but better. Good.
More savory.
Who was the oldest and youngest out of all of you? So she's older than me clearly because she's 18. I mean 19. And then I'm 15.
Yeah, so she's the youngest.
When were you born?
I was born December 15th. That's my birthday.
And I was born October 29th. Who was the most immature between you two?
I'm sorry, that's a given.
Oh, okay.
That's a given.
And my honest opinion, I feel like we're both immature.
I am not immature.
Yes, you are.
How am I immature?
Because you still argue with me. Well, no, not really. But it used to be both of us. Because
she got my nerves.
But you got on mine too.
See, but I guess that's what siblings do, so.
So, who was the wisest one? I don't know. Me? I'm playing.
I guess, I'm not, I won't consider myself wise because I'm still really young.
If it was who was the smartest one to me, but the wisest, I don't know.
She's very smart, though.
The one who's more was, wisest, I don't know. If Joanna was here, it would be easy, Joanna. Okay. Describe each other in one word.
Goofy. Oh, okay, guys. So the camera just cut off on us while we were eating. So
yeah, so we had to switch.
Yeah, to switch cameras. So.
Battery pack died.
Oh, put the phone. Okay. Crunchy. Oh, so good. Oh. I'm sorry.
Okay.
I'm gonna try the spaghetti.
Me too.
What was the next question?
Hold on. Let's try this first. So I forgot what kind of spaghetti this is. What kind is it?
This is Filipino spaghetti.
Yep. And it looks good. And it's cheesy.
It's not. I love spaghetti. It's a favorite meal. Love pastas.
Mmm. That food good. It's on point. I don't even like restaurant spaghetti. Because it be plain. But this tastes like sugar. It's good, man.
It's like nice and sweet. Like it's not like overly sweet. I don't know if they put sugar in it or not, but it's really good. Fine. I love me some spaghetti.
So, the next question is, the most memorable memory of our childhood. When we used to play dolls. We used to all play dolls, and they used to leave me out because they didn't want me playing.
Yeah, we would. I don't know why we did that.
Y'all said that I didn't know how to play and I messed it up. Because I used to be moving always like hit them with the dolls and stuff.
Yeah.
In there. That's fine.
No, this one.
But yeah, that's our most.
That's I'm trying to think of something, but yeah.
That's it. Guinea pigs.
Oh no, we have guinea pigs. They died.
Who's the most stubborn among us two? Me.
Yeah. If it's not her way, she's not gonna. Oh.
Okay. What's the first crush? What? Who was the first crush your sister? That don't make sense. Whatever. Who is the latest crush of yours? Let's get that. Are you in a...
Oh, she wants to skip that question.
Which celebrity once had a crush on you? What? Or which celebrity have we had a crush on? These questions are weird.
Celebrity crush?
I had a crush on Chris Brown, I think.
Oh. Have celebrity crushes, so I can't answer that.
I used to. Like, who did you used to have a crush on?
I don't think I had celebrity crushes. I don't know. I can't name any on top of my head. I'm gonna try this rice. I'm gonna come back to this. I'm gonna try the rice. Can you give me the rice?
I'm gonna try.
Tell me how it tastes.
I don't like rice. I don't like it.
You don't like it?
I don't really like rice.
Oh, yeah, she's not tasty.
Let's go to the next question. Let me turn my power saving off. Okay. What's your nickname? My nickname is Naya, obviously, and her nickname is Mia.
Yeah.
What's your favorite food?
Your daddy, like this right here.
Mine is like shrimp. Who cooks the best between you guys? Me. She don't know how to cook.
I can cook noodles. Don't you stop. Yeah, she can cook.
I can't cook as good as Jelena. Jelena can just do everything. She cook. She can do her hair. She clean real good.
Yeah.
She's gonna be a good wife, man. Okay, which thing? Who has the tidiest room?
Jelena. Sorry. I mean, she has
No, I didn't mean.
second time.
Me. To me, she does clean her room.
It's kind of messy. I'm sorry.
Okay.
I don't know like the rice.
What sport are you good at?
I don't play sports.
But like what sport are you good at?
I think I would be good at what is it? I don't know. I'm not really good at any sports.
Mine, track.
I used to play track.
Play track or run track.
I meant run track. Sorry.
Who is the best at studies? You probably.
Yeah. I mean, I don't really need to study sometimes, but when I do, it helps.
I don't really want to try it. Excuse me.
Oh,
no,
what?
I got this.
What is that? How's
It's
it?
plain.
Plain.
It's okay. What did it taste like? Nothing.
Not. It would be better with shrimp. What is that?
I
What
ate
is
them.
shrimp? You ate them both? Maybe there's some meat. I mean, there is meat in here, but it's not bad.
Okay. Are you emotional or rational?
I'm emotional.
What's rational? Like you not emotional?
You're more like a, what is it? You think things out.
Both.
So
I'm both.
I kind of go on feeling. I shouldn't do that. I should be more rational, more think things out more. But that's how I am.
Do you often fight with your siblings? Kind of.
Not any.
Not as much.
anymore,
Yeah,
but
not
yes,
as
I
much,
still
but yeah,
do.
we still do.
But
Like
it's
me and
gotten-
Julian do the most. It used to be me and now it's just me and Julian.
Yeah.
And to me, I always pick Julian's side.
Now you'll be a bully.
I'm not a bully.
Be a bully.
You just pick her side because she be saying stuff to me. She just don't say it in the right tone. So when I say it in a different tone, he be like, yeah. And she be saying the same thing just in a light way.
You know, you used to be mean.
Who could drive well between you guys?
I can't drive.
Me. I could drive. They just don't want me driving.
She thinks she can drive.
Joanna could drive. She drives
She
everywhere.
thinks she can drive.
I do.
Yeah.
Do you do you share secrets with each other?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what sisters do.
Yep. Okay. Who is daddy's sweetheart? Me.
She's a little spoiled brat.
I'm not.
She kind of is.
Okay. What three things you both are worst at?
I'm not good at math.
Yeah, I'm not good at math.
I can't play sports, and
I'm not good at not saying something back. So,
and another.
I'm not good at drawing, math, or
I'm not good at.
my attention goes away fast. So I'm not good at paying attention for a long time. It just
I'm very indecisive. I'm not good at deciding things. Like it takes. I'm very indecisive with a lot of stuff. I can't decide.
Okay. Which of the game you siblings love?
What?
Okay, who annoyed your parents the most? Me. And I still do. Okay. Which of your siblings' friends you hate the most?
I don't hate
None.
any of my. I hang around good people, so I don't hate them.
Yeah. Which place you both like to visit?
I want to visit.
No, which place you both like to?
Well,
Like where do we like to visit?
What would you like to?
No. Which place you both like to visit?
Oh.
Where do we like to go?
I don't know. Well, that's it.
Daytona.
Oh, that's where Auntie lives.
Okay.
It's always fun when we go there.
Whom you both wanted to kill? No one.
I don't want to kill anybody.
Is your sibling? Oh, let's get some of these. Who has a good sense of humor?
This one.
I'm really goofy, literally. Okay, so who has a good sense of fashion?
I
Me.
don't know how to. Oh, she does.
Yeah, I do, because Tamia don't really she don't really dress up or anything. She just like anything. Okay, who is more confident among you both?
I'm not there yet, so I'm gonna say no.
Huh?
Or no.
You're not confident?
Not really. Not where as confident as I want to be.
Okay. Who is more addicted to the internet? No. No, you are.
Oh, I'm only on the internet to watch shows.
No.
Yes, I do.
You on
watch
Instagram?
shows. That's it, just to post.
And Snapchat.
I'm barely on Snapchat.
Okay. I don't know who did. Okay. Do you like taking pictures with your siblings? Sometimes.
Really? She's the one taking them, so.
It depends.
I don't care.
On the first day of school, I get tired of taking pictures, like a bunch of pictures. Okay, what is the weirdest thing about you? My laugh.
Oh, yeah. People say, your laugh's weird. Or they, I don't know, her laugh.
It's loud. Yeah.
Like, y'all heard her laugh in, like, videos, like, you'll see why, but. Me? I don't know. I'm kind of weird in general stuff. I don't know. I talk to myself. I'm not crazy, but that's what I do. And that's, like, weird.
Who is braver among you two? Maybe her. Yeah, her.
I mean, if I want to go out for something, I go after it.
Yeah, she is more brave because I'm not that brave. I'm brave, but not brave. Who helps your mother in the kitchen? Jelena.
We both all help.
No, we don't.
Yeah, wait.
Jelena helps.
Oh,
every time I'm a cook, we never help.
Oh, I can't. I don't know. I probably can't contribute. That's why I don't do it.
I feel like I'm just in the way because her and Jelena be doing for. I just okay. Okay. Who often goes to the grocery store with your mother? Jelena. Jelena need to be in this. All this go to her. She do the most if we think of it.
Well, plus 30 more.
Okay. If your sibling is good at no. Who is good at computers? Her. I don't really use computers like that.
I almost got Microsoft certified. But I didn't finish it, though.
Who is more fond of riding a motorbike?
A motorbike?
None of us. I would not ride it.
Mm-mm.
Who is most creative among you two? Her. Cause she she do art, and she think of new weird stuff to do, like creating stuff, putting pieces together.
Mm-hmm.
Who has the best handwriting?
Oh, I don't have to.
I don't know, cause my handwriting it's not good. Like it's not bad, but it's not good.
Better than mine.
Yeah, I don't know who's better. Alright, let's move this out the way because we're not really doing that. No. Okay. Who is friendlier? You. She's very friendly. I thought I was friendly though. She's friendly. Like she's very nice. That's not a bad thing though. In some situations it is though.
You're like, no, I'm not too nice. Like I'll give you the benefit of the doubt. But once you start showing your true colors, I'm not gonna really want to be around you.
Yeah, but you are probably more nice. Like friendly.
But I am nice. No.
Very nice. Okay. Let's see. Who snores while sleeping? No, I don't.
Yes, she does.
I don't snore.
Yes,
to me, no, I don't snore. I snore.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't. No, I don't.
Yeah, the times we got you on camera and you snored. She doesn't snore loud, but she does.
No, she snores.
Okay, I snore. I'm not
I don't snore.
I'm not gonna lie and say no, I do.
I don't.
No, yes, you do.
Mom, do I snore?
Why are you doing this?
Where do we stop at?
Me snoring.
You snoring.
She snores.
So guys, once again the camera cut off again. So now we have to ask 2 more questions before it cut off again. Maybe stop. But yeah. So we're gonna ask 2 more questions and then we're gonna end out this video because it's probably long. I don't know.
Yeah.
But okay. So
Look.
La 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 la. Sing a happy song. La 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 la. Swerve the whole day long. Okay, who is the closest to you guys' grandparents?
Closest? I don't know. All of us?
I think so.
I would make sure to check up on my granddad, make sure he's doing okay. You should always do that with your grandparents. Just check up on them, Call them in, say, hey, how you doing?
Because, man, you never know.
You never know.
Okay. Last question.
Last question.
If you get a chance, what 3 things of your siblings will you be thrown out? I'm just hungry.
What? Oh, question that. About one?
Who? Okay, so last question. Who was our favorite teachers?
My favorite teacher is Mr. Zerker.
My favorite teacher is Miss Johnson because she don't make us do anything really. But write essays and they're easy. Because I'm good at writing essays.
I love Mr. Zerker. He teaches EP Human and a lot of other EP classes, and he's really awesome. And yeah, he calls me Cyclops. So yeah. Shout out to Mr. Zerker.
So tell them what you think about Jollibee.
What I thought of Jollibee's, stop! Come on! I think it's really good. No, stop.
Just say it.
I can't say it.
Say it. I'm dying. Come on.
I know it's really good.
Say it. Okay.
Oh, my nerves. Dang. Anyways, I thought. Stop! Jollibee was really good. It was really good. I love the spaghetti. The rice was really good. The gravy was good. Well, the rice was okay. It smelled better than it tasted, and yeah, the chicken and gravy was really good. What about you?
So everything was really good to me. I like the spaghetti the most. I like the chicken and the spaghetti the most. It was really good. I mean, the rice, I don't like rice, so it wasn't that good to me. And this thing, it was just disgusting. It just tasted plain. I don't know what it is. I just like the shrimp. So yeah, and before we end this video, I want to say happy birthday to our brother. If you don't know, our brother passed away when he was 7, and he's on my mom's arm. I think right arm or left. He's on the left or right. One of her arms. If you see her in videos and you see someone on her arm, yes, it's him. And today's his birthday, so I want to say happy birthday to him. And yeah, so make sure you give this video a like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to check out the Epic Empire in the description box below. And let me know if you want to see, let us know in the comments if you want to see more videos with me and Tamia. Let us know if you enjoyed this video of us. Looks fun. But anyways, yes, until next time on T&Leetv, we're out this. Peace. Okay, I'm back. That's what I do.